Now imagine feeling that you belong in this world and it's part of you and you're part of everything else. As big and marvelous and wondrous as that universe is, if you felt truly connected to the universe, to God, and to yourself, imagine the ecstasy and the bliss, the higher consciousness states that you could stay in, and what you could create from that beautiful experience of knowing reality, perhaps for the first time. Reality is kind, it's truthful, and it's always loving, but the mind produces fear, necessarily so. We do have to run from elephants, we've got to run from crouching tigers and hidden dragons, but at some point we can manage those and go off default and create something extraordinary.